How to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So if you want to fix CapCut template not showing in your TikTok, then the first solution is you just need to simply open up your App Store or your Play Store, depending on the device that you're using. Once you've opened, go with search, which is on the bottom right, and then again tap on search, and you need to search for TikTok. Once you've searched, now if you have any updates under your TikTok, you just need to simply go and update your TikTok application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. You can simply open up your TikTok application now, and you can simply go with upper right, which has that search option. Now you need to search for CapCut templates. Once you search here, you will get all of the CapCut templates you can use. But if you don't get the templates even after updating, then what you can do is just remove the TikTok application from your background and tap and hold on to your application. Go with the app info section. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache. Tap on it and then go with clear cache. Once you've cleared the cache, your problem might be fixed. Now you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after that you can open up your TikTok and it will show you the CapCut templates. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.